Hi guys, it's Jennifer Labre, and today we're making a brand new holiday card that's straight out of the holiday catalog. Well, the card isn't, but the products are. This is the card we're going to be making. Beautiful Christmas card. And it uses the Dashing Deer Claremont stamp set. Beautiful stamp set, and there's matching dies that we're going to use too. But I really love this deer. Hope you do too. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab some very vanilla cardstock. This is a half a sheet, just like for a standard card. We're going to score it at 4 1/4. Okay. Okay, we'll set that aside for right now. Then we're going to grab a sheet of cherry cobbler. This is 5 3/4 by 3 inches because we're going to be using the corrugated embossing folder, which is right here. This is also in the holiday catalog. It tends to shrink up a little bit when we use the corrugated dynamic textured impressions embossing folder, so we're going to make it a little bit bigger to start with. So let's grab our scissors. And for this we want just the standard platform. And one of the plates. And we'll grab our embossing folder. Place it like that in the folder. Folded side edge in first. There we go. There is our embossed sheet. Okay. Put this aside for right now. Okay, we're also going to take a sheet of the DSP that's 5 1/2 by 1 1/4. This is the new Festive Farmhouse DSP. I think that's, let me just check here. Yep, Festive Farmhouse DSP. And I just love this plaid. I can't get enough of the plaid. Makes things, everything so cozy as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so we're going to put these on here with a little bit of snail adhesive. Line this up right on the bottom. Okay, and then this will go, oh, that's not good, but we can still salvage it. Maybe we'll use our glue instead of the snail. So there's a tip for you. Don't use snail on the corrugated paper. Okay, and we'll line this up right on top of it. There we go. We'll set that aside to dry. And we'll do some Stampin'. Again, I've got a sheet of, just a scratch sheet of very vanilla. We're going to take our deer And we're going to take our, let's see which block this is, E block. Okay, we're using Old Olive ink today. Ink that up. There we go. Clean that off with our Simply Chamois. Okay, and then we're going to take our Sentiment and our C block. And just stamp that up there. Clean that off. Our ink away, and then I'm going to grab the scissors again. This time we're going to use the metal platform, or the magnetic platform. Okay, put that right on there. We're going to be using the stitch shape framelits. This is the second smallest oval. Get that right on there. As well as the detailed deer thinlits. We'll grab the deer out of there. Line it up carefully. That's good. Oh. There we go. I think that's good. Okay. Put our top plate on carefully, run it through. Okay, I'm going to run it through twice just to make sure it's all cut out. It should be. Okay. Here we have our deer, as well as our expression. Okay, let's put these away. Okay, we can just poke out the little pieces inside the antlers. They're big enough. Okay, and then we're going to assemble our card. Put a little bit of snail on the back of that expression. And put it right here. And then for the deer, we're going to use some of the mini dimensionals, and we'll just put those on the back of the deer. Four should do it. Okay. put that right on the card. And there you have it. There's your card. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial today. Please feel free to check out my blog at jenniferlabre.com for all the products used and all the specials going on in the Stampin' Up! World. Thank you for watching and have a great day.